Hi guys, I'm Shruti and welcome to Karmakar's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a Bengali jar snack nimki. It's an ideal evening tea snack that can be enjoyed with a nice cup of masala tea. So without any further ado, let's begin the process of making nimki. To make nimki, I have taken a large bowl into which I'm going to add all-purpose flour or maida about 1.5 cups. Salt to taste, sugar half teaspoon, kalo jeera or kalonji also known as nigella seeds half teaspoon, carom seeds also known as ajwain or joan half teaspoon. This is optional. I just love the flavor, that's why I'm adding it. You can skip this totally. 3 tablespoons of oil or ghee, that is clarified butter. Now combine everything very nicely. This process is called moyan. It makes the nimki more crunchy and flaky. So do this for 5 minutes before adding water into it. Crumble the mixture, and when you see it's holding a shape like this one right here, then you know the moyan is done perfectly. Now gradually add water and make a soft dough, neither too tight nor too soft, a medium one, just a smooth soft dough. Our dough is ready. Now just cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, dough is all set to roll out. I am kneading it just once again. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. We are going to fry these nimkis in 2 batches. Now on a clean surface, dust some flour and flatten the dough with your hand, and then with the help of a rolling pin, roll out the dough into a large disc like a very large roti or chapati. Pour some oil or ghee, that is clarified butter, about 1 tablespoon over the rolled dough and sprinkle some flour on it, and then spread oil and flour uniformly over the rolled out dough. Start rolling in tight from one end to another. Give it a long cylindrical shape. This process will help in giving multiple layers inside the nimki. This recipe can be tried with wheat flour as well, but I would prefer all-purpose flour or maida for its crisp and flaky texture. The desired shape has achieved, and now I am removing the sides to get nice equal portions out of it. Now I'm going to cut into equal portions, about 1 inch of pieces using a knife. This recipe makes about 16 to 18 nimkis. Check the layers. Now place the portion on a rolling board or on any clean surface facing layer side up, and then gently press it down. Dust some flour and roll it into a small disc. The beauty of this recipe is that it can be stored in an airtight container for at least a week and it won't lose its shape or turn soggy. Now fold into half to form a semicircle and fold again to form a triangle and gently press it down. Our first nimki is ready. Repeat the process and finish off making all the nimkis. Now it's time to fry the nimkis. So heat up enough oil in a wok and drop the nimkis one by one gently. Do not overcrowd the wok. The nimkis need to be deep fried on a slow medium flame until they turn golden brown from both the sides. It has turned nice golden brown. Now take them out and fry rest of the nimkis. Done frying? Turn off the heat. And there you have your tea time snack nimki. Enjoy it with a nice cup of masala tea. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye.